Welcome to the final video in my three-part series uncovering the secrets the richest people in the world don't want you to know. If you haven't seen the first two videos, make sure to go back and watch those first for the full list of 27 secrets. In this video, I'll be revealing the final 9 secrets the rich utilize to get to the top tier of success. So without further delay, let's dive into the last 9 secrets the rich don't want you to know. Secret number 19. Develop a problem-solving mindset. The super successful see problems as opportunities and themselves as problem solvers. This attracts people and money to them. Secret number 20. Give more to get more. Generosity comes back multiplied. The wealthy understand this universal law and share their expertise, connections, and wealth. Secret number 21. Seek win-win situations. There is plenty for everyone. The rich look for outcomes where all parties benefit in some way. Secret number 22. Act and think as if already wealthy. The wealthy operate from an abundant mindset. They make decisions and carry themselves as if they already have extreme wealth. Secret number 23. Appreciate luxuries without attachment. The rich enjoy their possessions without clinging to them for happiness. This provides freedom and peace of mind. Secret number 24. Balance emotions with logic and intuition. Smart decision-making integrates head and heart. The wealthy check in with their intuition and manage emotional reactions. Secret number 25. Set aside worry time and keep a gratitude journal. Stress is managed through focused worry sessions. Gratitude journals help maintain perspective. Secret number 26. Unplug regularly for reflection and creativity. The super successful carve out tech-free alone time to replenish their minds and access innovative ideas. Secret number 27. Never lose your sense of wonder and curiosity. Continued growth and success requires retaining a beginner's mindset. The rich remain open-minded and curious. And there you have it, the 27 secrets the richest people in the world don't want you to know. Integrate these powerful habits into your own life to fulfill the vision you have for yourself. If you enjoyed this series and would like more life-transforming content, then subscribe and click the notification bell to get updates when I release new videos. Also, click the link in the description to access the most powerful secret that the rich use to build their wealth. Thank you for watching this series. See you in the next video.